Hi guys, today I will explain how to add USDT ERC-20 to your Trust wallet. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application. Once it will be open, scroll down and here are the cryptos which I have in my Trust wallet. And at the bottom you can see USDT. If I click on it, on the top you can see the name USDT ERC-20 Ethereum. If you did not find this in your Trust wallet, then what you have to do, let's go back from here and click on the option Manage Crypto. And on the search bar, you have to write for USDT. Here you will find a lot of cryptos. If I scroll down, you can see a lot of cryptos are here. But from these cryptos, you have to select this USDT Ethereum. Toggle it to turn it on, and then this will be added to your Trust wallet. And be careful because if you choose the wrong crypto, then you will not get any payment or notification. So make sure you have added the correct crypto. And it was the way by which you can add this in your Trust wallet.